So what I was saying before is we're really still not sure what baby Chance is, but he's resembling a grackle hatchling or nestling, which is
Okay.
which is unusual, because we found him in the road, and a grackle had left him, and flew away when it spotted me. And we thought it was going to eat this little baby bird. And so we have been assuming it was a smaller bird, like a songbird of some sort. But its feathers are definitely coming in a dark color. Um, so we're now, and it looks like some of the grackles online. Um, so, but he's still growing, and I suppose even if he is a grackle, we'll keep taking care of him.